Okay. Question question is find the first positive term of the AP minus 65 minus 58 minus 51 so on. So as we start we know that as we go on minus 65 minus 58 minus 51 so on, at some stage we will get 0, then afterwards we'll get some positive number. So he's asking to find the first positive term, that is term. So we have to find the first positive term. So first, according to our AP, what all we have to just write down all the details here. So we will write the first term, difference, and we are going to just find it. Okay. So now let us write the first term A minus 65. D is minus 58 minus of minus 65. So this will become minus 58 plus 65. So the answer is 65 minus 58, 7. So the answer is plus 7. So the D value is 7. So D value is equal to 7. Next, what we have to we have been said that an is positive. So an should be greater than 0. So what do we get here? An is greater than 0. But what is our an? A plus n minus 1 into t. So therefore this an is a plus n minus 1 into d, which is greater than 0. So what is the a value? We've got minus 65 plus n, we don't know, n minus 1 into 7 is greater than 0. Therefore, we get minus 65 plus 7n minus 7 greater than 0. So we have to just simplify this minus 65 and minus 7. We will get minus 65 and minus 7. We will get the answer 72. So minus 72. So minus 72 plus 7n greater than 0. Shift the 72 this side, you'll get 7n is greater than 72. So further you have, therefore, n is greater than 72 by 7. 72, just to divide the 72 by 7. 7 tens are 70, 2 remaining. Put up decimal point, take 0. 7 twos are 14, remaining 6. 0 again. 7 eights are 56. Again we'll get 4. So n is greater than 10.28. So n should be greater than 11. So we will get the n is greater than 11 means therefore the nth term, which term? Therefore A11 is the first positive term. So A11th term will be the first positive term. Next. Find the middle term of the AP. We have to find the middle term. Middle term means we have to find the n. So what is n? We don't know. So what is AP? According to AP, we have got A is equal to 6. D is equal to 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 will be 7. So last term, AN is equal to 216. So we get the answer here. Therefore, to find the middle term, the formula is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. First of all, we have to find what is the middle term. This is first term, second term, third term. This 216 is in which place we don't know. So we have to find that. After that, we can assume which is the middle term. First, let us find this N. So AN is 216 is equal to 6 plus N minus 1 into 7. Get the 6 this side. 216 minus 6 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. So 210 is equal to 7n minus 7. Bring the 7 this side. It becomes plus 7. 217 is equal to 7n. Therefore, I got n is equal to 217 by 7. 7 threes are 21, 7 ones are 7. So n is 31. So the n is 31 means we don't know still. Which is the middle term? We don't know. So n is 31 means it is an odd number. So whenever we are having an odd number, we have learned previously in our ninth standard that middle term of an odd number is found using the formula n plus 1 by 2th term. Okay. So what is n plus 1 by 2? This is the formula used to find the middle term. Therefore, 31 plus 1 by 2, the term, that is equal to 32 by 2 term, 2 ones are 2 6 are. Therefore, 16th term is the middle term. So find the middle term means we have to find A16. So what we are going to do? We are going to find A16 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So our A value is 6. A value is 6 plus 16 minus 1 into D. D value is 7. 6 plus 15 into 7. So what is the answer? We are going to get 6 plus 105. The answer is 111. So A 16th term is 111. Therefore, the middle term A16 is equal to 111. Okay. Find the middle term. So first of all, 16th term is the middle term, and hence A16 we found to find, that is 111. Next question. Find the middle term of the AP given. Find the middle term of the AP 7, 13, 19, 7, 13, 19, 241. Same question, but I think here we will get even numbers. Let us find. So according to question, our first term is 7. D is 13 minus 7. 6. D is 6. Last term AN is 241. So now AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 241 is equal to 7 plus N minus 1 into 6. 241 minus 7 is equal to N minus 1 into 6. 241 minus 7, 4. 243. 241 minus 7 will become 4, 3, 2. 234 is equal to N minus 1 into 6. So this will become 234 by 6 is equal to N minus 1. Then 234 divided by 6 is 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. Then 1823 minus 18 will be 5. 23 minus 6 ones are 6 threes are 18. If you want, you can just divide and see if you are not able to take the simplification. 234 divided by 6. 6 threes are 18. 54. 6 nines are 54. So the answer is 39. Therefore, here we'll get 39. 39 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore, bring the 1 this side. 39 plus 1 is equal to n. So therefore, n is equal to 40. Let us keep the question here. Okay. So therefore, n is equal to 40. Now n is 40 means it is a even number. So when we get the even number, the middle term will be, so n is 40 is an even number. The formula to find the middle term is, to find middle term when n is even, n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. So 40 by 2th term and 40 by 2 plus 1th term. This is the formula. 40 by 2 means that will become 20th term, and 20 plus 1, 21 the term. So find the middle term means we have to find the 20th and the 21st term. So how are we going to find this? So we will take this as A20 is equal to A plus 19D. A plus 19D means 19 into D value is 6. A value is 7. So we get 7 plus 9 6 are 54, 11. So the answer is 121. Okay. So 20th term is 121. A 21st term will be A plus 20D. That is A is 7 plus 20 into 6. 7 plus 120. The answer is 127. When we get this only, we can easily find this because 7 differences, 6 differences there. 6 plus 1 becomes 7. 127. Okay, next question. Consider the AP. Consider the AP 25811,302. Show that twice of the middle term of the above AP is equal to the sum of the first and last term. So this is a big question, lengthy question. Now we have got the AP. First we will write the AP. 2, 5, 8, 11, 302. Show that twice the middle term. So first we should find the middle term. So previously we have done A is equal to 2, D is equal to 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3, AN is equal to 302. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 302 is equal to 2 plus N minus 1 into 3. Shift that to this side. 302 minus 2 is equal to N minus 1 into 3. 300 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. This 3 will come down, is equal to n minus 1. 3 ones are 300s are. Therefore, 100 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 99. Sorry, 1 not 1. This minus 1 comes this side. 100 plus 1, 101. Therefore, n is equal to 101. Now he's telling 101 is an odd number. So, therefore, middle term is 101 plus 1 by 2th term. To find the middle term, because this is odd, we will use the formula n plus 1 by 2th term. So n is 101 plus 1 by 2. Okay. Answer is 102 by 2. This is term. 2 ones are 2 fives are 2 ones are. So the 51th term is the middle term. So what is A51? Is equal to A plus 50D. So what is A? 2 plus 50 into D is 3. So this is 2 plus 150. The answer is 152. So what did we get here? We got it. Therefore, middle term is 51 and the number on the middle term is, that is answer is 52. So a 51th term is 152. Now see the question. Show that twice of the middle term is equal to the sum of first and last term. So we need to show twice the middle term is equal to sum of first and last term. First we'll multiply 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Sum of first term and last term. What is our first term? First term is A, last term is 302. So we got first term is A is 2, last term is 302. So we got 304 is equal to 304. Hence we have proved that twice the middle term is equal to sum of the first term and the last term. Okay, next question. In an AP, this is AP, prove that the sum of the middle term is equal to the sum of the first and the last term. Same question it is in an AP 1, 7, 13, 19. Prove that the sum of middle term is equal to the sum of first and last term. Just we can try doing this. The AP is 1, 1, 7, 13, 19, 450. So what is the middle term? First we will find A is equal to 1, D is equal to 6, AN is equal to 450. So what do we get? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So 415 is equal to 1 plus N minus 1 into 6. Bring this side. 414. 415 minus 1 will become 414 is equal to N minus 1 into 6. So 414 by 6 is equal to N minus 1. So cancel out with the 6 table. If you're not knowing, you can divide and see. 414 divided by 6. 6 6 are 36. Then remaining is 5. 6 9s are 54. So the answer is 69. Cancel out and the answer is 69 is equal to N minus 1. Bring the 1 this side. N is equal to 70. Therefore, N is equal to 70. So we are getting an even number here. When you are getting even number, what is the middle term? Middle term formula when the even number is N. Therefore, N by 2th term and N by 2 plus 1th term is the middle term. So N means 70 by 2 term and 70 by 2 plus 1th term. This is 35th term and 35 plus 1, 36th term. So what we need to find? We need to find 35 and 36 terms. So that is A35, A plus 34D. So that is A is 1 plus 34 into 6. That is 1 plus 6 4s are 24, 6 is 18, 19, 20, 204. So answer is 205. So the 35th term is 205. Same way we need to find the 36th term. A36 is equal to A plus 35D. If you want, you can add just a 205 plus 6. We'll get the answer. So this is A is 1 plus 35 into 6. So again, multiply 210. The answer is 211. So 836th term is 211. He says that prove the sum of the middle term. Middle term is equal to sum of middle term. What is the sum of middle term? Sum of middle term is equal to 205 plus 211. The answer is 416. Sum of first and last term. First term is 1, last term is 15. Therefore, sum of first term and last term, that is, first term is A, last term is AN. First term is given in the AP as 1 plus 415. The answer is 416. So in both the case we got the answer 416. Hence we have proved that the sum of middle term is equal to the sum of first and the last term. We got the answer, both are equal. Okay. How many numbers of 2 digits are divisible by 7? 2 digit numbers means you have to start with 14. है ना? Your AP should be started with 14. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. Last will be how you'll divide 7, how it should be divisible. Just take 100, divide by 7. 7 1s are 7, 3 remaining. 7 4s are 28, 2 remaining. Means if I subtract 100 minus 2, 100 minus 2 will become 98. So 98 will be divisible by 7. 7 1s are 7, 2 remaining, 7 4s are 28. So this is how to find the last number. So 98 is the last digit. So now how many numbers means how many numbers of 2 digit are there? We have to find n. So A is 14, D is 7, AN is 98. Find AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. AN is 98 is equal to 14 plus n minus 1 into 7. Shift the 14 this side. 98 minus 14 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. So 8 minus 4 is 4, 9 minus 1 is 8 is equal to n minus 1 bracket 7. So 84 by 7 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So 12, this 1 will come this side, plus 1 is equal to n. Therefore n is equal to 13. So totally how many terms are there in between this 14? It's first term, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10, like that. 13 terms are there. 13 numbers are there who are divisible by 7. Only divisible by 7. Okay. Find the number of integers. Find the number of integers between 50 and 500 which are divisible by 7. So between 50 means it should not be 51, it should not be 50, after 50, 51, 52, last number which is 49. 49 is 2-digit number before 50. Then you add 7 to this. What you will get? Because divisible by 7. So 56 will be my first one. 56, 56 plus 7 will become 63. 63. Last will be 500, between 500. So 500 which is divisible by 7. 7 sevens are 49. 1 remaining. 7 ones are 7. 3. So 500 minus 3 you do. 500 minus 3 will be, this will be 49. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9, 4. Can it be divisible by 7? 7 sevens are 49. 7 ones are 7. So last digit is within 500 will be 497. So now A is 56, D is 7, AN is 497. So we'll get AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So AN is 497 is equal to 56 plus n minus 1 into 7. Bring the 56 this side. 497 minus 56 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. 441 is equal to n minus 1. The 7 will come down here. So 441 divided by 7. 7 6 are 42. 2 remaining. 7 3 are 21. 63. So we'll get 63 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore, n, shift the 1 this side, is equal to 63 plus 1, that is 64. So how many terms are there in this? 64 terms are there which are divisible by 7. This is 1, 2, 3, like that. 64 are there which are divisible by 7.